Greetings, and welcome to today's show, on which I will educate you on how to write a song. Now, first thing you have to do is start playing the drums. That's right, take a beat and groove. Don't forget to add a couple extra instruments. I, today, have chosen electric piano and the harp. Wonderful. The organ's a wonderful instrument. I think we should add some of that. There we go. Now they're working together. Alright. You gotta get the moving parts working in a groove. But when you're on that groove, you have to have a bass line added to that as well. So let us not forget the bass. Great. Now let's not forget, we have a few instruments to add. And when we add them, we need to be careful how much we add. Little bits at a time. Layer them correctly. That is correct. And when you take a break, you always gotta get back in the groove. There we go. Great. Okay. You have the whole band working together. That's wonderful. Great. Okay, take your beats that you have made with your drums, and your bass, and your organ, and your stuff. Introduce them a little bit back in the time. That's right, a little bit. Right. Let's bounce around a little, shall we? Alright. Give me groove. Great. Dissonance is an important part of music, just as volume is as well. Volume and dissonance, that is correct. Both very important components of a song. You want as much dissonance as possible. That is correct. And then you want a resolution. But only once in a while. That's right. There we go. We can syncopate some rhythms once in a while as well. Just for entertainment. Let's take a stringed instruments and slowly turn around. That was Writing a Song with the Word Artist. Thank you for joining us today, and words and arts be with you.